Good morning students. Welcome to online class. Today I am going to explain the exercise sums. Do this and try these sums and examples also. Yesterday already completed the introduction part. Okay, now page number 3, do this. The first one is find Q and R. Find Q and R for the following pair of positive integers A and B satisfying A equals to BQ plus R. First one, A equals to 13, B equals to 3. These two numbers written in the form of A equals to BQ plus R. Okay. A equals to, biggest number take A, already I said. Smallest number is taken B. B equals to 3, A equals to 13. A equals to BQ plus R. Okay. 13 equals to B means 3 into Q. 3 how many times? 3 4 times 13. 3 5 is 15. It is more than. So 3 4s are 13 plus 3 4s are 12. What is the remaining? Remainder is 1. So A equals to B Q plus R. Okay. Therefore Q equals to 4, R equals to 1. This is the half mark sums. And the second one is A equals to 8, B equals to 80. Here big number taken 80. So first like same. 80 equals to, big number first take. 80 equals to 8 into, here B equals to AQ plus R he will take. Okay. 8 into 8 how many times? 10 times. Plus remainder 8 tens are 80. Remainder is 0. Therefore Q equals to 10, R equals to 0. A, B were already given. Okay. This is the second one. And third one is A equals to 125, B equals to 5. This can be written as A equals to BQ plus R. A equals to 125 equals to 5 into Q value. 5 how many times? 125. 5 table. 5 2 times 10. Remainder is 2. Next one is 5. 5 times 25. 0. So 525 times 125 plus 0. So here A equals to 125 given, B equals to 5 is given, Q equals to 25, R equals to 0. Just write only in the form of A equals to BQ plus R only. And the fourth one is A equals to 132, B equals to 11. Okay, it is also A equals to BQ plus R form. 132 equals to 11 into 132, 11 table. 11 1s are 11 minus 13 minus 11, 2. Next number is 2. 22. 11 2 times 22 minus 0. So 11 into 12 plus remainder is 0. Therefore, here A equals to 132 already given, B equals to 11 is already given, Q equals to 12, R equals to 0. This is the page number 3. Do these sums. Okay. The next one is page number 4. Do this. Page number 4. Do this. Okay. Find the HCF of the following by using Euclid division lemma. First one is 50 and 70. Highest common factor 50. For example, in factorization method, 50 equals to 50 can return. What are the factors of 50? 1 table, 2 table, 5 table, okay, 10 table, 25 table, and 50 table. These are the factors of 50. And 70, you will take 70. 1 table, 2 table, okay, 5 table, 7 table, next 10th table, next 14 table, 15 table, sorry, 35 table, and 70 table. These are the factors of 70. In these two, what are the common factors? Common factors. Common factors are here 1, here 1. 1, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 10, 10, 10. So, here common factors are 1, 2, 5, 10. Okay. What is the highest common factor? What is the highest here? Factors of all common factors? 10. So, highest common factor equals to 10. This is the factorization method. But here, by using the Euclid's division lemma. How to find the HCF? By using Euclid's division lemma of given two numbers. One is 50 and another one is 70. So, you will take A equals to bigger number, B equals to smaller number. A equals to 70, B equals to 50. First you write the Euclid's division lemma. What is the Euclid's division lemma? A equals to BQ plus R. This is the form of Euclid's division lemma. Okay. A equals to 70 equals to B 50 into 50 how many times? Only one time. 52 is 100. So remainder is 51 is 50 plus 20 70. Is it remainder 0 or not? No, it is not 0. So when the remainder is 0, you will solve the process continuously. Okay. Now you will take a B value. 50 equals to, okay, 20 into 20 how many times 50? Nearly 22 are 40 plus, what is the remainder? 22s are 40 plus 10. So 50. Here 0, r equals to 0 or not? No. Here is also not 0. The next one is 20 equals to 10 into 10 how many times? 2 times. 10 to 0, 20 plus remainder 0. So which one is the 0? Which one is 0 in the B? B place 10. So 10 is the HCF of the given two numbers. So HCF of 50 and 70 equals to 10. This is the process. Second one. 96 and 72. 96 and 72. Here bigger number is 96, so A equals to 96, B equals to 72. Okay, A equals to BQ plus R. A equals to BQ plus R form, you write the two numbers. 96 equals to B. 72 into 72 one times only 72 plus 72 96 minus 72 24. 72 plus 24 equals to 96. So here r not equals to 0. Okay, now 72 equals to 24 into how many times? 3 times. 24 3s are 72 plus 0. Here 0 remainder. So where the remainder 0, then that B value equals to HCF of the given two numbers. So therefore HCF of 96 and 72 equals to 24. That is the second one. And third one is 300 and 550. 300 and 550. Here also A equals to BQ plus R form, where A equals to 550, B equals to 300. 550 equals to 300 into 300 once 300. 300 twos 600. It is more than. So 300 1 times 300 plus 300. 550 minus 300. 250. R not equals to 0. R value not equals to 0. And 300 equals to 250 into 1 times 250 plus 300 minus 250. 50. R not equals to 0. Again 250 equals to 50 into 5 times 5 5 to 25 0 250 plus 0. So here R equals to 0, B value 50. Therefore HCF of 300 and 550 equals to how much? 50. That is the third sum. Okay, understand? The next last one is fourth one. 1860 and 2015. Okay, answer listen. A equals to bigger number 2015. B equals to 1860. Okay. A equals to BQ plus R by Euclid division lemma. By using Euclid division lemma. A equals to 2015 equals to B 1860 into 2015 1860 1 times 1860 remainder is 5 11 minus 6 5 here one bar is there 19 minus 18 1 155 so 1860 into 1 plus 155 remainder. Okay, the next one is r not equals to 0, so 1860 equals to 155 into 1860 155 table 1 times 155 remainder is 1 6 5 minus 5 1 8 minus 5 3 0. Okay, 155 2 times 2 5s are 10 1 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 0. So 155 into 12 plus remainder is 0. So here r equals to 0, therefore HCF of 2015 and 1860 is equals to 155. This is the very important method and important model for our examination point of view. Okay. Next, exercise 1.1, first Roman. Use Euclid's division lemma, same method. Euclid's division lemma to find the HCF of use Euclid's division lemma to find the HCF of first one 900 and 270. Okay. Here bigger number 900 equals to A equals to 900, B equals to 270. By Euclid's division lemma, A equals to BQ plus R. Okay, condition means 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Okay. Okay. A 900 equals to, okay, B 270 into 270 how many times? 3 times 8 10. So 270 into 3 8 10 less than 90. So 900 minus 8 10 90. So R not equals to 0. Again 270 equals to 90 into 93 times 270 plus 0. So here R equals to 0. Therefore HCF is B value. So therefore HCF of 900 and 270 equals to 90. That is the first one. Second one is 196 and 38,220. Okay, A equals to 38,220, B equals to 196. Because A equals to bigger number, B equals to smaller number, you will take. Okay, by Euclid's division lemma, A equals to BQ plus R. Okay. 0 less than or equals to R less than B. Okay, A 38,220 equals to B 196 into 38,220 196 table. Okay, 1 times 196, remainder 12 lo 6, 6, 17 lo 9, 8, 2 minus 1, 1. The next number is 2. 196 9 times. 9 6 are 54, 5, 9 9 are 81, 81 plus 5, 86, 8, 9 1 are 9 plus 8, 17. Remainder 12 minus 4, 8, 5 minus 6, 9, 98, 0. 5 table. 5 6 are 33. 5 9 are 45 plus 3, 48, 4. 5 1 are 5 plus 4, 9. So 196 into 195 plus remainder is 0. So what is the HCF of the given two numbers? Therefore HCF of 196 and 38,220 equals to 0 means 196. Okay. HCF of 196 and 38,220 equals to 196. That is the HCF of the given two numbers. Third one. 1651 and 2032. Okay. A equals to 2032, B equals to 1651. By Euclid's division lemma, A equals to BQ plus R, 0 less than or equals to R less than B. A 2032 equals to 1651 into only one time 16 2 is 32, 3200, 1 plus 2032 minus 1651 equals to 381. 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 5 13, 1, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 16 20. Okay, right. So R not equals to 0. Again 1651 equals to 381 into 381 how many times? 5 table. 5 1 jar 5, 5 8 jar 44. No, it is heavy. 4 table. 4 1 jar 4, 4 8 jar 32, 3, 4 4 3 jar 12 plus 3 15. Okay. Remainder is 7, 4 and 2, 2, 1. 127 plus 127. R not equals to 0. Again 381 equals to 127 into 3 plus 3 7 jar 21, 2, 3 2 jar 6 plus 2 8, 3 1 jar 3. Okay, right. 3 table. 127 into 3 plus 0. So 0 came. Okay. Therefore HCF of 1651 and 2032 equals to 127. Okay. Thank you, students. Tomorrow we will discuss about the next second Roman onwards. Okay, thank you.